Hello motorsports fans, I'm Adam Carter and welcome to the Ultimate Race Report. The producers over at Optimum News have received some interesting comments regarding Optimum's racing sponsorship. In order to keep you better informed, they decided to get into greater detail into the motorsports and Opti-Coat right here. It was an exciting weekend of racing at the Grand Prix of Long Beach with the KPAX team. We'll get into all of that in just a moment because there really is a lot to cover. But first, let's review a few details that brought us to this point. Opti-Coat has been sponsoring motorsports racing in one form or another since 2014, beginning in Australia. Opti-Coat is now sponsoring the YNA Autosport McLaren GT3 in the Australian GT Series. We will be getting into more depth with YNA on the Australian side of things in the near future. In the United States in 2016, Opti-Coat began sponsoring the Pro Mod Supercharged Injected Blown Alcohol 68 SS Camaro of Tony, the Sandman Williams, and race coordinator Don Tackett. We are expecting a great run out of them in Bowling Green, Kentucky this coming weekend as long as the weather holds out. The Sandman 68 Camaro has been running in the 3/8 for the 8th mile, and it's been reported that the team is working on a new transmission that should drop them into the 3/7s. We'll certainly keep you posted on all of that. And now back to KPAX. Last week, Optimum News reported on the KPAX team and car number 3 of Rodrigo Baptista and Max Soule and their successful run at the Circuit of the Americas. This past weekend, KPAX raced at the Toyota Grand Prix of Long Beach in the Pirelli World Challenge. The number 3 car of Baptista was hit during practice on Friday evening, and the team spent the best part of that night getting the car back in order for qualifying on Saturday. KPAX also ran their yellow Opti-Coat sponsored Bentley GT3 number 9 car of Alvaro Parente at Long Beach, putting 2 KPAX cars on the track. Saturday's qualifying round saw the number 9 car of Parente coming in 7th in his class and 9th overall, with the number 3 car of Baptista qualifying 3rd in his class and 10th overall. Heading into Sunday's race, we saw 21 cars line up at the start, with the number 9 car of Parente in 9th position and the number 3 car of Baptista in 10th position. The race started off great as they kept it clean through turn number 1. There was a bit of talk around the track about how big the Bentley is, however it was the second lightest car on the track. Parente reported that the Bentley wasn't fond of the bumps on this track, but no matter, he handled his car with precision. Lap 8 produced a collision and a full course caution. It appeared that both KPAX drivers were able to avoid the debris field. However, the number 3 car of Baptista pulled into the pits during this caution, but quickly got back on the track, losing only a few positions in the process. It was later reported that Baptista had suffered a tire puncture. Lap 27 found the number 9 car of Parente moving into 3rd position as he was able to hold on through the checkered flag for a podium finish. The Grand Prix of Long Beach produced a 3rd place overall finish for the number 9 Bentley of Parente, with a 10th place overall and 6th in his class for the number 3 Bentley of Baptista. Congratulations to Opti-Coat, Bentley, and the entire KPAX team for an excellent weekend of racing. The GT action will continue at the end of April with the Grand Prix of Virginia at the Virginia International Raceway. We will be joined by yet another Opti-Coat sponsored team, Flying Lizard Motorsports. Opti-Coat is excited to see the Flying Lizard Audi R8 LMS GT4s hit the track, and we'll keep you updated on all that action. Thanks for watching this edition of the Ultimate Race Report. Please subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. We look forward to keeping you updated.